shelter up to block the rain from hitting my tinder bundle because I don't want it getting wet. That's the last thing I want. And actually I took my raincoat. It's not raining too bad. I just wrapped my tinder bundle in it because I'm gonna strike with a ferro rod to ignite it. It's not a bird's nest because I'm not putting an ember into it. So this is the size of it. You guys need it this big because you don't want to do it twice. And it's fine. This is poplar bark mixed in with some basswood is what this is. And I've also got some goldenrod, which you guys collected out there yesterday to light with your lighter. And I'm going to put that up first because it goes up really quick because it's dead, to catch my other sticks to boil this water. So what we need to do is get some sort of fire lay here. So this is processed up enough. I'm gonna go back a little bit, and I'm gonna move this out when I get the flames high because it has to be huge. The fire does to boil your water. So I'll take make sure you don't get any water on your tinder bundle. I'm gonna put my lid in my pocket so I don't lose it, and make some sort of fire lay here. And don't worry about stuff getting in your water. Too many people worry about that. I would not. Ash or anything like that, just don't worry about it because you're boiling the water to disinfect it, so you'll be good. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of lay these like that and collect the rest of my stuff. Here's my smalls. You need to have this many smalls to be successful because you want this fire, you want that bottle surrounded by flames. So I'm just gonna take some of these. I don't want to do that. Get wet. These to start. And you don't want to knock this bottle over, so be very cognizant of that. And essentially all I'm doing is surrounding this bottle with sticks. And once I get this going, I have to have an area to strike the tinder bundle to get it to flame. I'm going to leave a gap, and once I get it going and flip it over on itself, I will add more sticks. So, make sure that your bottle won't fall over.
So is your bottle in the middle of the tinder bundle? That's where you put it?
No, it's behind it, but I'm going to add sticks all around it, so it's going to be right in the middle of the fire. That's the way it has to be. Get your ferro rod. Make sure it's striking. This is a scorpion. Anybody's wondering?
Who makes that?
Who makes it? Pathfinder Knife Shop. Alright. Process it up a little more. Alright. Got it. There we go. Put your knife up, and if you did this properly, this is going to give you a ton of time to move this around. Move this out. Make sure you don't knock your bottle over when you're doing this.
Mud don't hurt. Dirt don't hurt.
God made dirt. Dirt don't hurt.